Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Glamrock Freddy from Five Nights at Freddy's. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start by drawing the nose with a black rounded rectangle. Now, from either side of the rectangle at the top, draw curves outwards. Let's draw the eyes next. Draw circles on either side of the nose. Next, we're going to darken up the top of each eye just a little bit like this. Now draw a large circle inside the left eye for the pupil. Now add a smaller circle inside in the top right. And then one more black circle in the center. Now do the same thing for the right eye. Next, let's draw the pattern around the eyes. Draw a curve around the eyes that meet down at a point in the center. And then draw another border around this shape. Next, let's draw the shape of the head with a rounded rectangle shape like this. Next, inside, let's add the eyebrows with curved rectangle shapes. And color them both in black. Let's add the ears now. Draw a circular curve on the top left of the head. And then add a circle inside. Now do the same thing on the right. Next, on the right ear, he has an earring, so let's draw that now with a rectangle. And then erase any of the lines inside. Let's draw his hat next. Draw a rectangle shape on the top left of the head. And then another smaller one on top. And then two lines up. And now a curve at the top to finish off the hat. Let's finish drawing the face now. Draw a line down under the nose. And then curves on either side. Next, draw another set of curves on the sides for the cheeks. And then inside each cheek, draw a sideways V shape. And then another one inside. Let's draw the teeth next. Start by drawing the top row, starting from the inside and working your way outwards. Also, I'll be drawing the straight version of his teeth, but if you want, you can draw pointed teeth instead. Now underneath, draw a curve across. And then add the bottom row of teeth on top of this line. Next, let's draw lines on either side of the teeth. And then color the area in between the teeth black. Next, draw curves down on either side here. And then a curve across the bottom to close off the jaw. And lastly for the jaw, draw 2 lines inside in the middle here. Let's draw the body next. Draw curves down on both sides. And then continue the sides of the body down with lines that dip in slightly in the middle. Now connect the bottom with a line across that curves up in the center. Next, inside the body, let's draw a bow tie near the top. And then from the sides of the bow, draw curves down. Next, let's add the curved lightning bolt symbol on the chest now like this. Let's draw the next section of the body now. Step in slightly from the sides and draw 2 curves down. And then a curve at the bottom to connect the lines. Next, inside, draw another set of curves along the sides. Now for the next section, draw 2 more shorter curves down on the sides like this. And then connect them at the bottom with a curved V shape. Let's draw the legs now. On the left, leave a gap and draw a diagonal line. And then draw the thigh with a curved rectangular shape downwards like this. Now do the same thing on the right side. Next, in the gap, let's draw 2 curves on both sides. And then color these sections in black. Next, at the bottom, draw semicircles for the knees and color them both in black. And then draw a rounded rectangle shape under, but leave the bottom open. Now at the bottom, draw curves on both sides. And then add a square shape inside at the bottom. Let's draw the feet next, starting with the left foot. Draw an S-curve down and out for the top of the foot. And then a curve for the heel. Now close off the foot with 3 toes like this. Next, add triangle shapes on each toe for the toenails. And erase the lines inside the nails now. Now draw the right foot in the same way, but pointing out to the right. Let's draw the arms now. Let's start with the right side. Start with a curved triangle shape for the shoulder that's overlapping the body a bit. And now erase the body line inside. Next, draw 2 curves down and out like this. And a line at the bottom to connect them. Next, add a curve at the armpit area and color the section in black. Let's draw the forearm now with a rectangle shape that's open at the bottom. Then fill in the gap with 2 curves and color the section in black. Next, let's add a curved rectangle shape. And then 2 more curves down, and a curve at the bottom to close it off. Next, in the curved rectangle section we drew earlier, add 3 circles inside. And then 2 spikes going out on the sides. Let's draw the hand next. Draw the thumb down here like this. And then a curve on the right. And one more curve here to close off the finger. Next, in the gap, draw another curve. And then 2 more fingers under and behind like this. And then add a curved line at the end of the fingers. Let's draw the left arm and hand holding the microphone now. Start with an oval shape out for the shoulder. And then 2 curves down. Now draw a curve for the armpit and color it in black. Next, at the end of the arm, draw another curve. Before continuing the hand and the arm, let's draw the microphone stand next. Draw a square at the top here. And then 2 lines down to about the foot level. And close off the bottom with a curve. Let's draw the hand next. Start by drawing the thumb with a curve here. And then 2 curves under it to close off the arm. Next, add 3 small circles inside the section we just drew. Now let's draw 3 fingers on top of the left side of the microphone stand here. And then erase any of the lines inside the fingers. Next, let's add curves across the end of each finger, including the thumb. Let's finish the stand and draw the microphone now. Draw an angled rectangle up on the top. And then draw the microphone handle behind with a curved rectangle shape like this. Next, at the end, let's draw the microphone head with a circle. And then inside, draw a curve at the bottom. And then erase the arm line inside if you need to. Let's finish the microphone stand next. Draw a curved rectangle shape across the middle of the stand here. And then erase the lines inside. Next, at the bottom, draw a triangle shape. And then an oval for the base. And lastly, one more oval inside. And that's it for Glamrock Freddy. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!